and back to the tutorial for deep learning. Today we will discuss the ResNet with CIFAR dataset. How we can use ResNet for CIFAR dataset. As of now, ResNet is one of the familiar deep learning model where consider various models like ResNet 15, ResNet 18, ResNet 50, ResNet 101 and so on. Here we are going to discuss the simple example where we can execute and implement the Google Colab with the help of CIFAR dataset. That is an online dataset where consists of animals images like that. Here, ResNet generally very popular. Why? Because it consists of skip connections. Moreover, it can resolve the vanishing gradient problem easily here. That reason only we are moving with the help of ResNet here. As much number of layers increases, as much network performance will be increased automatically here. Let's see example here. It's a pattern video. Here for implementing ResNet with the CIFAR, we are writing the Python code here where we are using import jacks and import optex and so on. These are helpful to switch on the jacks running, and these are on GPU. These are helpful to execute the code very fast. And then after this, here we can give it will get the information of max epoch how much like that, and we are deciding max epoch size is 50 and batch size is 128 and so on. And we are using the ResNet, so we mentioned the model name is ResNet 18, and dataset we are using CIFAR. Just we note on here, given here, and then we continue the code here, that is training. So as of once you have a dataset, we can train, test and validate based on the network input. So here we are using the number of classes mentioned here, label and image, and we are going to write a function called definition plot under sample images for loading the images, and after that we can retrieve what are the information, that means information of data 1 or what are the images 1 we can retrieve, and we can use the plot underscore sample images and train loader. Though this is the one coding helpful to randomly show the or display the images from the CIFAR dataset. So here once successfully execute this code, we are getting the image of dog, sheep, truck and so on and so on. Sorry, the CIFAR dataset concept not only animals, it concept various set of images here, and we are using we use the function argument that image comma label. These are helpful to maximize the images and sample data. So argumentation generally used for increase the data set. Suppose you have a sample data of 20, we can with the help of argument we can make it as a 40 and so on. It's possible with the help of argumentation. So that reason we are writing the code here, and later with the argumentation we can do the changes like increase the brightness and move the images left right and everything possible here, and train the data and plot. When you go plot underscore sample images, you show the augmented images here. So there will be a difference between the initial stage of images and these images. So that's a very advantage of very use of this uses of this argument here, and then clarity and everything is there. Then again we can train and again define the model where using the residual block as well as the skip connections, and later can use the pooling layer also. After writing this code, we can define the ResNet model, that is class ResNet. Then we can follow the coding where we give you all the information and we can call the function. Then you can give all the information like that. Then initial convolution you can give. Then after giving, you can mention the loss accurate also, and where you can use the graph to mention everything. And after executing this code, we can easily get the accuracy, how and when the batch starts and end like that. And we can give the epoch train, and after this coding we can get the learning rate, epoches and learning rate, at last max epoches here, that is a learning rate curve we are showing the epoches and so on. Then solver is there, we can use a solver optex of .sgf, this also for initial the parameters, and later we can use sorry, by mistake copied 2 times, so where you can give like this. Sorry, there will be error is there, it's a pattern video. So this is a way how we can work ResNet or work with ResNet, or how we can implement ResNet for CIFAR dataset. Part 2 video you can see later. I hope that you understand video. If you like the video, please subscribe, share with your friends. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.